So today is Saturday, running some errands, and then I'm going to check out two properties that have hit the market. The first is a new development, new community on the border of Old Town Tustin in downtown Santa Ana. It's called Cabrillo Crossing. These are townhomes, and they're supposed to have all the beautiful amenities that you're looking for. So I want to see what the price range is like and see if they're really quality properties. So let's take a look. So fun fact about this new community, Cabrillo Crossing, this is right along my path that I take quite often. It is right up the street from my post office. I'm in this area all of the time. Let's get into the features of the main floor, starting with the kitchen. Beautiful quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash. And for the design and staging here, they used a lot of green accents, which I really liked. And it flows throughout the house. Got the shiplap accent wall as well. Stainless steel appliances everywhere. They have smart thermostats in this house. LG 5-burner stove that also has a remote control to it. And then here on this main floor, you have a powder room, half bath, and then access to the first floor balcony, which you can see First Street from this part of the house. Really beautiful area. I'm big on the city, so I think this is a cool feature. So once you leave the first floor, living room and kitchen, you have beautiful view of the outside from the balcony. Great place to hang out by yourself or when you're entertaining company. And then that leads you back into the kitchen and living room combo. Get an idea of just how beautifully they staged it so that you can picture where your stuff would go. Now let's go upstairs. Okay, so after we make our way upstairs, you're gonna see all three bedrooms, including the primary, as well as primary bathroom. So make your way up the stairs. You will have first view at the major full guest bathroom, and then make your way to the first guest bedroom. Beautifully staged again. See a lot of natural light that comes into this particular room. This is a great setup. And you can be a little bit nosy, see the neighbors too. Down the hallway, keep going, that takes you to the primary bed and bathroom. See more stairs here. And then here's your second guest bedroom. Take a quick look in. Again, they did a great job of utilizing the space just to help you better understand where your stuff can go and what this room can become. That door on the left is the stacked washer and dryer. This is full bathroom here for the guests. So those two guest bedrooms, they would share this. And again, you can see the green accents and a quick selfie for me. Walk down this hallway, past paintings. And now we're into the primary ensuite. So spacious primary bedroom and bathroom. Does have its own walk-in closet. So as we slowly pan over that way, that is a walk-in closet there. Then you get your primary bathroom. Dual vanities. Love the contrast with the black fixtures. Subway tiling in the shower itself. Really nicely done. It's quality work. Then of course your toilet. All the usual stuff that you would expect. Low flow water efficient toilets here. And then again, they do have smart thermostats throughout the house. And then there's your stacked washer and dryer. Take those stairs, it takes you back down to the main floor where the living room and kitchen is. But we're gonna go the opposite way, upstairs. Okay, so we are going to the third level of this. These are the last set of stairs you'll have. Once you get here to the top, this is a bonus room or flex space. This can honestly be anything you want it to be. Staged as a second living room, TV, entertainment. It could be a kid's space. It could be an office. It could be your workout space. Put all of your stuff there. It could be the office that one or both people in the household want to go to, or it could be a combination of all the above. It is really on you. But I think the coolest aspect is this rooftop deck, which is one of the last big features. If you like anything about city living, this is probably as close as you're going to get to what it would feel like in LA. That's the 5 freeway right there. And in the opposite direction, you have quick access to the 55 freeway. So you have super quick access to almost anything here. So let's wrap this up. We just visited Plan 2B of the spec homes for Cabrillo Crossing. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, and 2 half baths or powder rooms, whichever you'd like to call them. Plus there's a den, office space, and a flex room up at the top area with rooftop access and a rooftop deck. For this particular model, you're looking at about 2,200 square feet, about 2,400 square feet, and the base price is $991,000. You're looking at, with interest rates right now at about 6.6 to 6.7%, you're looking at a total monthly payment between principal, interest, taxes, and insurance of about $6,700. How that breaks down is $5,100 will go towards the principal and interest, $1,000 is the property taxes, $264 will be the insurance on the property, and about $344 to about $364 will be your HOA. There is no Mello Roos. And because you're smack dab in the middle of both Santa Ana and Tustin, you'll have the benefit of sending any family members to the Tustin Unified School District. You're also a stone's throw away from downtown Santa Ana, which has the nightlife, has the incoming infrastructure and trolleys and transportation. Plus, you get all of the cool vibes. Don't also forget that you are very close to all the major freeway veins. The 5 freeway, the 22 freeway, and the 55 freeway are all within a few minutes drive. Plus, again, this is a centralized area, so John Wayne Airport is right up the way, right up the 55, or you can take the surface streets to get there. So this is a really convenient area. I don't expect a lot of these units that are available to last very long. I happen to live in this area, so I knew this development was gonna have its grand opening. But for anyone that wants to get in this area and essentially just hang out, find your forever home, or maybe your home for the next few years, I think the values will continue to go up because it's just hard to build in this particular area. But let me know if you'd like to set up a private tour. We can also try getting you pre-qualified and see if this is a great fit for you. Hopefully you enjoyed this tour, and I'll catch you on the next one.